Hello students, welcome back to Alpha C Learning Mathematics classes. Today we are going to discuss some more models on sequence and series chapter. Right now, suppose our title is common terms, number of common terms of two APs. Suppose you are given two APs, you can calculate the number of common terms of two APs or the required number of common term of two APs. So the procedure is, suppose you are given a question is of the form, the number of common terms of the two series are given. Two series are given, right? Okay, the first series is 17, 21, 25, etc. 417. It is a given series. Now checking the common difference, 21 minus 17, that is 4. 25 minus 21, 4, etc. Of course, common difference is same as it is AP. First AP series and second series is 16, 21, 26, etc. 466 is also in AP. Why? Because it is common difference is 5. Common difference is 5. Common difference is 5. So it is an AP with common difference 4. It is an AP with common difference 5. Right. Now, observe that it is the common term of both APs. 21 is the common term of both APs. Now, we have to calculate such common terms of both series, both APs. Now, the procedure is, right? Procedure is, let R be the number of common terms. Let R be the number of common terms of both APs. Now, I am framing the series common terms list. That is, first common term is 21. First common term is 21. And the common difference of this new common terms will be maintain LCM of common difference of two APs. LCM of 4, 5 is 20. So by maintaining the common difference 20, I am writing the some series. Of course, 21, 41, 61, etc. These are the common terms of these two APs. First common term is 21 and the remaining common terms will obtain by writing the sequence with the common difference of LCM of first and second given sequences. Right, here LCM is 20. So I am framing with common difference 20 as a sequence. It is an AP. You have to calculate the number of common terms of this AP. Right. Now I am writing rth term. We don't know the number of common terms. Now rth term is given by A plus n minus 1 into D format. A means first term plus n means R here minus 1 into D. Common difference is 20 or 21 plus 20 or minus 20 or 20 or plus 1 is the rth term of this sequence. Of course, the sequence contains the common terms of these two APs. Now, we have to find out the R value. Because these two sequences, the maximum value of the last term of the first sequence is 417, last value of the second sequence is 466. Because our required term should be common to both the series. That's why we are equating this. That is the term 20 R plus 1 common term should be less than or equal to least of these two. Least of these two. That is 417. Least. Now 20 R is less than or equal to 416 or R is less than or equal to 416 by 20. It is nearly 20 times, nearly 20 point something, but R is always integer. That's why the number of common terms of both APs is 20 something, 20 point something. Suppose it is 20.22, we have to take only integer part because R is always integer here. So number of common terms of both APs is 20. So in this way we can calculate the number of common terms of both APs. Right? Okay. Of course, you can calculate the suppose particular common term of the two sequence also. Suppose there are 20 common terms are there. Suppose you want to, or you are interested to calculate the 10th common term, then put r is equal to 10. Put r is equal to 10. R is equal to 10 gives the 10th common term. That is T10 is equal to 20 into 10 plus 1, or T10 is equal to 200 plus 1, 201. You know, 201 is the common term of both the sequences. 10th common term of the both sequences. So in this manner, you can calculate the number of common terms of the two APs as well as the particular common term of the given two sequences. Right? Of course, we will go to the another example for, you are given two series. You want to calculate the 10th common term of the two sequences. 10th common term. The procedure is 10th common term. Now let R be the number of common terms of both the sequences. Right? Of course, first sequence is an AP with common difference 4 again. So common difference is an AP with common difference 4. And second is also common difference is an AP with common difference 5. Now I am writing the rth term of a sequence which contains the common terms of both the sequences. That is 11 is the first common term of both the sequences. Now I am writing the rth term of the sequence which contains the common terms. So that is rth term A plus R minus 1 into D. That is, the D is nothing but LCM of these two APs. Take the LCM of two APs. LCM of common difference of two APs. Right. 4, 5 is 20. The LCM of 4, 5 is 20. Therefore, here D is the 20. Therefore, that is 11 plus 20R minus 20 or 20R minus 9. Is the 20R minus 9 is the rth term of the sequence containing the common terms of these two APs. Suppose you have to calculate the 10th common term, that is put R is equal to 10, then T10 is equal to 200 minus 20 into 10, that is 200 minus 9, that is 191 is the 10th common term of these two sequences. So in this manner, you can calculate the common number of common terms of two APs or the required common term of the two APs. Right? So a good concept. Now coming to the another models. Okay students, we are continuing the models. Right? The first question is, let A, B, C be the positive integers such that B by A is an integer. If A, B, C are in GP and arithmetic mean of A, B, C is B plus 2, then what is the value of A square plus A minus 14 by A plus 1? Right? Okay, coming to the data, A, B, C are positive integers such that B by A is an integer. Yes, A, B, C are in GP. A, B, C are in GP, they are given. You can write B square equal to AC, or you can also write C is equal to B square by A. Right? Let it be the given first data point. And arithmetic mean of ABC is B plus C. ABC, arithmetic mean of ABC is B plus 2. This is given. That is, arithmetic mean of three numbers is sum of the numbers by number of numbers. That is equal to B plus 2. Or A plus B plus C is equal to 3B plus 6. I am replacing C with this value. That is A plus B plus C means B square by A is equal to 3B plus 6. Our aim is finding the value of this expression. Of course, this is you have to calculate A value. That is okay. That is A plus B square by A is equal to 2B plus 6. I am dividing with A on both sides, that is B square by A square minus 2B by A, and it is plus 1 is equal to 6 by A. Okay, no problem. That is B by A minus 1 whole square, as it is a perfect square term, is equal to 6 by A. Here B by A, B by A is given as an integer. B by A is an integer. If B by A is an integer, then 6 by A must be integer. 6 by A must be integer. It is integer only when A is 6. When A is 6, then this term is integer. Then RH is integer, LH is also integer because of by given data B by A is an integer, right? Coming to the value of A is 6. Now you have to find out the value of A square plus A minus 14 by A plus 1. Here A value is given as 6, that is 36 plus 6 minus 14 by 6 plus 1, that is 7. 36 plus 6, that is 42. 42 minus 14, that is 8, and 28, that is 28 by 7, that is 4. Right? Is the 4. The answer is 4. Next, coming to the next question. Next question. Suppose that all the terms of AP are natural numbers. If the ratio of the sum of the first 7 terms to the sum of the first 11 terms is 6:11. 6 is to sum of the 11 terms is 6:11, and the 7th term lies between 130 and 140. Then the common ratio of this, the common difference of this AP is, you are given the sum of the first 7 terms. Sum of the first 7 terms, let it be 7, and the sum of the 11 terms is given as, let it be S11. This ratio is given as 6/11, and also given the data is 7th term lies between 130 and 140. 130 and 140. T7 lies between 130 and 140. So this is the 2 given data points. Now I have to find out the common difference of this AP is required. Common difference. As you know, sum to n terms of an AP is given by the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference. I am using this formula for sum to n terms. Let the first term of an AP is a and the common difference of AP is d, right? Our aim is finding the common difference value, right? So using this formula, S7 is given by n by 2. You know, n is here 7. 7 by 2 of 2a. First term, let it be a. N minus 1 into d. N is 7. 7 minus 1, that is 6d by, right? By S11, that is 11 by 2 into 2a plus 10d. The ratio is given as 6/11, right? Right? 2 gets cancelled, 11 and 11 gets cancelled, that is 7, right? Of course, multiples of 2 also gets cancelled. 7 of a plus 3d by a plus 5d equal to 6, or 7a plus 21d is equal to 6a plus 30d, or 7a minus 6a, a is equal to 30 minus 21, that is 9d. Of course, I am establishing a relation between a and d. Now coming to the point, another point, T7. I am writing T7 as a plus 6d, or because nth term of an AP is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is here the 7. Therefore, a plus 6d is there, because given that a plus 6d lies between 130 and 140. Our aim is finding the value of d, right? That's why I am expressing a also in terms of d. That is, a becomes 9d. It is 9d plus 6d. That is, 130 is less than, a is replaced with 9d plus 6d is 140. 9 plus 6, 15. 130 is less than 15d is less than 140. Right. You have to calculate the d. That is 130 by 15 is less than, d is less than 140 by 15. Multiples of 5 gets cancelled. That is 2 5s and 6 5s by 3 is less than, d is less than, and 2 5s and 8 5s by 3 5s. Or again, that is 8 point, that is 9, right, 8 point something is less than, d is less than 9 point something. That is, d lies between more than 8 point something and less than 9 point something. that is D can take as D is integer, so D is 9. The common difference of this AP is 9. Right, completed. Next, another model. These questions are most standard questions of advanced and mains level point of view. Right. Then coming to the next question, let the harmonic mean of positive numbers A and B be 4. Harmonic mean is given. Harmonic mean A comma B are positive numbers. Harmonic mean is given by HM of A comma B is given by 2AB by A plus B, that is given as 4. Harmonic mean is given as 4. Next, Q is a positive real number such that A comma 5 comma Q comma B are in AP, that is A comma 5 comma Q comma B are in arithmetic progression. Then the values are value of mod of Q minus A is R. You have to find out finally mod of Q minus A values or value. Right. So by given data, by first data it is equation that is nothing but AB is equal to 4 of A plus 2 of A plus B. It is equation 1. 9. Right. Because they are in AP, we can write if ABC are in AP, then we can write 2B is equal to A plus C. That is here 10 is equal to A plus Q, or Q is equal to 10 minus A. Is one result. And next, these are also in AP. That is 2Q is equal to 5 plus B. 2Q is equal to 5 plus B. It is Q is equal to 10 minus A. So I am eliminating Q from these two equations. That is 2 into 10 minus A is equal to 5 plus B, or 20 minus 2A is equal to 5 plus B. Right. So this is the second relation in A and B. Now from 1 and 2 we can solve the A value as well as B value, or you can replace B. We have to calculate A value. That's why 20 minus, of course it is 15 minus 2A. B value is, substituting B value in the equation 1. That is equation 1 imply A of B is 15 minus 2A, that is equal to 2 of A plus B. That is A plus B is 15 minus A here. That is 15A minus 2A square is equal to 30 minus 2A. Again 2A square, quadratic in A, 2A square minus 17A plus 30 is equal to 0. Right, 2 30s 60, 4 15s 60. Right, 2 into 30, that is 60 factors. 2 into, that is 4 into 15, or 2 15s. The factors are right, 4 into 4. Right, 4 15s, not 4 15s, that is 2 into 15, or you can write 3, right, 6 5s, 2 into 6 into 5, that is 12, 5 are the factors, 12 and 5 are the factors. So that's why 2A square minus 12A minus 5A plus 30 is equal to 0. Now I am getting A values. 2A of A minus 6 minus 5 of A minus 6 equals 0. So that is A value is either 6 or A value is 5 by 2. A value is 5 by 2. If A value is 6, then you can calculate Q value from this relation. Q is equal to 10 minus 6. Q is equal to 10 minus 6 means 4. Or if A value is 5 by 2, then Q is equal to 10 minus 5 by 2, that is 20 minus 5, 15 by 2. So this is the combination of values of A and Q. Finally you have to calculate the values of Q minus A, that is Q is here 4 minus 6 under modulus, that is absolute value is 2. One of the value of Q minus A is 2, and another value is Q minus, again Q minus A, that is Q is here 15 by 2 minus A is 5 by 2, that is 15 minus 5, 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So the values of q minus a are either 2 or 5. There are two possible values, right? Okay, thank you. We'll continue the some more models in the coming classes, right? Thank you.